Hey everyone, today we're breaking down a huge career opportunity for all you design engineers out there. The global tech firm Cyient is on a massive hiring spree, and we're going to give you all the details you need to know to potentially land a fantastic new role. So, let me ask you, are you really ready for your next big career challenge? Because, the opportunity we're about to dive into, it could be the one. Let's figure out if this is the right move for you. Yep, you heard that right. Cyient is hosting a major walk-in recruitment drive specifically for design engineers. So let's get into the good stuff. Exactly what they're looking for, the skills that'll make you stand out, and most importantly, how you can get yourself in front of them. All right, first things first, let's look at the absolute core of this opportunity, the specific roles Cyient needs to fill. Because honestly, understanding this is the key to everything else we're going to talk about. Okay, so the title is Design Engineer. But here's the real kicker. They're looking for some very specific technical skills. We're talking about real proficiency in CATIA V5, the go-to 3D design software in the industry. And they want experience in a PLM environment. That's product lifecycle management. Basically, it means you know how to handle a product's entire journey, from the first sketch all the way to the final build. So we know the role. Now let's paint a picture of their ideal candidate. This is where you can really start to ask yourself, hey, do my skills line up with what Cyient is searching for? So, what are those specific technical skills that are going to make your resume just pop right to the top of the stack? Let's get into the absolute must-haves. This combination of skills, it really tells a story. They're not just looking for someone who knows their way around CAD. Think about it. They want sheet metal expertise, top-notch CATIA skills, experience with PLM4, and a background in either exterior or interior design. What Cyient is really saying here is that they want engineers who can own the entire design process, from the nuts and bolts structural stuff right up to the final polished look. And get this, look at the experience range, 3 to 15 years. That's a huge window. And it's a massive signal that Cyient isn't just looking to fill 1 or 2 junior roles. Nope, they're building out entire teams. They want that fresh, rising talent and the seasoned veterans who can lead the way. Okay, so let's say you've got the skills. The big question is, where are you actually going to be making an impact? Let's check out the really high-stakes industries where these jobs are. So the opportunities here are in 3 really critical and cool domains: rail, automotive, and aero. I mean, we are literally talking about shaping the future of how we move, both on the ground and in the sky. This is where precision engineering is absolutely everything. This is some seriously high-impact work. All right, so if you're sitting there thinking, hey, this sounds exactly like me, then listen up. Here are the crucial details you need to actually take action. Let's talk logistics, the when and the where. Go ahead and pull out your calendar because you're going to want to circle this date, Sunday, April 12th. And holding it on a Sunday is a really smart move. It makes it so much easier for professionals who are already working to show up. So yeah, definitely keep that Sunday free. And you've got 2 different locations to choose from, right, in 2 of India's biggest tech hubs. First up, in Hyderabad. The interviews are going down at the Cyient office in the Financial District in Gachibowli. And if you're in Bangalore, you'll want to head over to the Cyient office in Electronic City, Phase 1 on Hosser Road. Both are super central, so just pick whichever one is easier for you. So after breaking all of that down, the role, the skills, the industries, the logistics, we're back to the one question that really matters. Looking at everything we've talked about, is this the next big move for your career? It's a real chance to get in with a leading global company, doing some seriously high-impact work. The only question left is, are you going to go for it?